Hello everybody, it's your favorite Florida realtor, Beth Weingart. I'm here at 1832 Ravenridge in Zephyr Hills. We are just outside of Wesley Chapel. Beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath villa. Let's go check it out. So you have a covered entryway screened in. And a grand foyer. Hello. Cherry wood laminate floors. So this bedroom is currently being used as an office space. Plenty of room for a kid's room. This is in the front of the home. Guest room. We have double doors there. Coat closet. Love the arched entryways and the cutouts. This is the main bathroom with linen closets and a tub. Love the high ceilings. The floors are carpeted in the bedroom. We have walk-in closet. Here's your front door. Again with the arch ceilings. Living room, enormous kitchen. Lots of cabinets, lots of counter space, overlooking the home so you can be in all the action. Stainless steel appliances. Here we have washer dryer. This is a pantry. The door leads to the 2-car garage. So when you come in directly to the kitchen with all your groceries. And we do have a 5-burner gas stove. Beautiful porch seating area overlooking greenery. And here we have the master suite. Lots of space. Double sink vanity. Large walk-in shower. We have a linen closet, separate toilet, and a walk-in closet with lots of space. The community has lots of features as well. If you have any questions, please give me a call, 786-253-0036. Thank you, bye.